I made $16,000 with one of my dropshipping stores in the month of January. You think that's impressive? Well, in December, I made close to $30,000 with the same store and same product. And just to prove to you that this is no luck and any person watching this video can do the same thing, I did the exact same thing with multiple stores that I have, and I have documented it all on this channel. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do in this video. I'm gonna show you how I got to 16K, how I built my store, how exactly I found the product that made me this money, and how I managed to do all of that in less than 2 hours of work per day while traveling. Alright, so first things first, the product. It was December. I knew I had to find a product that was fitting for Christmas, but at the same time also have good results in January, in February, in March, why not April, May. So my conclusion was that I needed an evergreen product. And just as the name suggests, an evergreen product is a product that you can sell any time of the year. For example, you can only sell Santa Claus hats around Christmas. And my second criteria was for that product to be sold on the market, so other stores should sell it, but not a lot of other stores. But also, I didn't want it to be the only store selling that product because you don't want to reinvent the wheel. And third of all, I needed someone to take care of my fulfillment, meaning that when I got orders, I needed someone to take care of those orders. That's because when you're making $500 a day with such a product, you need someone to take care of that for you. Otherwise, you're gonna waste a lot of hours every single day only sending out orders. So scrolling through the AutoDS winning products hub, this product caught my eye. The product is evergreen. You can basically buy and sell this product any time of the year. And also AutoDS gives us this tool that is called saturation score. With this tool, we know how many stores are selling this product on the market. And as you can see, it's pretty balanced. That's exactly what I wanted. And the third condition for my product was actually a perk of using AutoDS because they are taking care of fulfillment as well, so I don't have to worry about that. They are making sure to send the products anywhere in the world. They have a lot of warehouses, so they take care of that the best way they can. Alright, so if you scroll a bit down here, you're gonna see that AutoDS offers us a competitors area here, where we can see what kind of other stores are selling the same product. So I learned a lot from this by clicking each and every store from here, and I checked them out, I checked their stores out, and I saw what they were missing. I put myself in the boots of a customer, and I thought to myself, hey, how can I make this store better? And I made a list of notes, and I implemented that to my own idea of a store. Now, if you like a product from AutoDS, you can just import it to your store with a few clicks, but the problem is that I didn't have a store yet, so I needed to create one. As for my platform of choice, I always go with Shopify because it's the easiest to use. Anyone could build a store on Shopify. When it comes to creating your very own Shopify store, AutoDS comes into play, helping us save a lot of time and money because they have this amazing feature that will build us a fully functional Shopify store with the help of AI in less than 2 minutes. This is how you can get your store. On the AutoDS homepage, click on the name of your store and click on Add Store. After that, select Shopify Store, click Continue. There's the option to connect an already existing store. There's the option to create a new store through Shopify. And there's a third option, the middle one, which will help you generate a store with AI. Let's select that. Let's click Continue. After that, you need to select the niche that you want your store to be in. If you don't know, then just click I'm not sure. Then click Next. And it says right here, AI is building the store for you. Once you see this page, you're all set. Congratulations, your store has been successfully created. And this is all the information that you're gonna need to claim it. So go to the login page of Shopify, copy this email that you got from the AutoDS store builder, paste it here, click continue with email, and the password will be the one below it. Copy it, go here, paste it, and click login. And there you go, this is your brand new store. Keep in mind you only have a free trial of around 2 or 3 days, so make sure to activate your basic plan, which only costs $1. Select confirm billing cycle, then proceed with adding a payment method. You can add a credit card or PayPal. And finally, you will have the option to subscribe. Once you click this, you will subscribe to Shopify. The website looks something like this. We have a custom-made logo as well. Looks pretty cool, pretty clean. We also have a lot of winning products added here, courtesy of AutoDS. And if you go back to your Shopify store and click products from the left-hand side, you're going to be able to see all of the products that have been imported with AutoDS. Keep in mind, all of these products are trending right now. If you want to be able to keep up with the latest trends and always have access to the best winning products out there, make sure to create an account with AutoDS and import the newest products to your store. Alright guys, so to be honest, nobody cares about how the store looks like. People only care about the product page, because that's where they will land after they will click our ads. And for all of my geek friends out there, 95% of people who click on an ad will never go anywhere on your website but the landing page. In our case, the landing page is the same as the product page. Now, after around 45 minutes of work, I built this product page. It has the main image of the product. It has the title. I use this bundle area incentivizing people to buy more than just one single product. I use this area of the website telling people what the product is for, and basically this covers everything. I think that every person watching this video has at least one of these problems. By doing so, I went broad with my audience because I was thinking that everybody has at least one of these problems, so everybody that I'm targeting can be a potential customer. And then I used these GIFs with women testing the product and having amazing results with it. But something was missing. I was only targeting women, and I didn't know why. I was thinking that this is a product that women would buy. But then it came to me that men could also buy this. I would definitely buy something like this because I also have some problems on my face and I would use a product just like this one. So I also used a GIF with a guy using this product just to incentivize the male audience to buy the product. And then I added a how to use guide. And finally, at the bottom of the page, we have the review section. Now, with the review section, I highly encourage you to only use 5-star reviews. Now, if you have more than 20 reviews or so, you can always sprinkle a 4-star review here and there because there will be people that will be skeptical when they only see 5-star reviews. Funny story, first day of testing, 12th of January 2024, I only did $98 in sales. This was very discouraging, but the store was profitable. It didn't make a lot of profit, but it was profitable. So I said, hey, let's keep it for another 2 or 3 days. Now, as you can see right here, next day, $1,032. And in the 14th of January, $1,811. Now, here's the catch. I went out there, I made $100, and then the next day, $1,000. So Shopify didn't quite like that. They sent me a message in which they told me that they are gonna block all of my payment processors. That is why, as you can see right here, in the 15th of January 2024, I only did $179, and that's because all of those customers came from PayPal, which was still active. Now, the thing with these messages from Shopify is that no one knows why are we getting them. We just do. I suspect that these messages are sent automatically, and I suspect that they are cutting our access to their payment provider automatically. So it's not like someone is staying there spying on our store and they just decide, hey, we're gonna close Serban's store. I think that the reason why something like this happened to my store was that my store's activity triggered the AI. You see, I had a pretty unnatural growth and exponential from $100 to more than $1,000 in one single day. So that's 10 times more than a previous day. I guess that this kind of raises questions in their systems, and they're just cutting your access to their payment provider just to make sure that you're legit, you're not selling anything illegal. But what can I do? Life just happens. I couldn't just sit there and do nothing, so I restructured myself and I wrote them an email in the 15th of January requesting my access to Shopify payments back. They basically asked me, what am I doing? What am I selling? What's my targeted audience? Where I keep my stock? Stuff like this. And in my response to them, I just told them that I'm a father of 3 children. They are starving back at home and I need to make this work. I'm just selling this to provide for my family, and I don't know what did I do wrong. Here's where I keep my stock. Here's who I'm working with. I just sell this product to make a living. Needless to say, that actually worked. I'm pretty proud of myself, to be honest. In the 16th of January, we did $1.3 thousand. And to not bore you with any more details, in the next week, I did pretty good. I did $7,569.61. And in the last week of the month of January, I did $5,540. So just to do a recap, for the month of January, $16,575.80 in sales. And if you want to see some more analytics, more data, the online store's conversion rate was 3.23%. That is a pretty good conversion rate. So the conversion rate tells us how many people have converted from the total numbers of visitors. So if 100 people visited your store and one of them bought a product, that's a 1% conversion rate. On average, a dropshipping store has a conversion rate between 2 and 2.5%. So the conversion rate of my store, 3.23%, is actually a pretty decent conversion rate. And that comes from the product page. For those of you wondering about the profits, they were close to $4,000 because we're talking about cosmetics, and cosmetics have pretty high margin. If I were to give you some takeaways from this video, first of all, find an evergreen product. You want a product that will feed you throughout the whole year. You don't want something that will work for 1 month and then zero. Yeah, of course, seasonal products are very good. Everybody loves them. But once you find a seasonal product, be prepared because that one's gonna die out. Me personally, I will always prefer an evergreen product because that will always bring me sales. With a seasonal product on the other hand side, when it dies out, you're gonna have to do product research, you're gonna have to find another product, so on and so forth. Repeat this cycle. Second of all, work with an automation and fulfillment company such as AutoDS. With this volume of sales, I would spend around 3 hours per day just taking care of my orders. Needless to say, AutoDS took care of my orders, they took care of all of the fulfillment, and they sent out all of the orders in a timely manner. And last but not least, when a product is doing well, don't be afraid to spend some more money on marketing. I think that I lost a lot of money. I mean, I didn't lose, but I left a lot of money on the table by not scaling more aggressively in the month of January. That's it, guys. I hope this was transparent enough and that it helps you. I'm posting all of these crazy case studies on our channel, so make sure to subscribe. And if this video helped you in any way, please drop a like because it's completely free. Thank you for watching. Until next time.